Firstly, print out your circuit schematics and make sure your circuit schematics should be mirror images. Now take copper clad board, and I suggest you to scratch this board with sandpaper for better results. Now place your circuit printouts on the clad board and mark the dimension of the circuit on the board. Now I will teach you the art of cutting PCB. For that you will need a cutter and scale for cutting. Use the upper side of the cutter for scratching. So scratching the board is such a messy work. You have to do more than 100 times with the same pressure for perfect cutting. Make sure you do scratches on both sides of the board so we can get a perfect cuts. I think it's almost done with scratching. Let's try to break it. For breaking the board, find the surface like I have and place the board on the edge and make sure the breaking line should be on edge of the table as you can see it. Now place the books on the board for better handling. It's not breaking with less force, need to scratch more and more. I know this work is so disgusting, but we have to. Let's break now after grinding of scratch. Perfect, that's the thing we want. Okay, now we have to cut other side of the board with the same process. Now we will stick the circuit printouts on the board as per dimensions. Now we will need acetone / thinner. You will get this from any paint shops. Now pour some acetone on the board. Then gently stick your design on the board after pouring acetone. Now place your circuit under books for 5-10 minutes. wash the circuit in the bowl of water. Then gently start rubbing the paper on the circuit underwater. You can see our printouts are visible. Now fill the gaps or fluctuation in printing with permanent marker. Use permanent marker, not normal marker. Now we will deal with chemicals, so safety is our first priority. Pour 1 cup of water in the bowl. And add 2 tablespoons of ferric chloride, the PCB etching chemical. Never put water in powder. You should put powder in water because this reaction is exothermic, releases heat. Now put your circuit in this chemical. In this process, the copper layer except the printed design will be vanished, and you have to move the bowl slowly for continuous. Check in between that the copper is vanished fully or not. You can see the copper layer is vanished fully. Now wash the circuit with water. After this whole process, take acetone and pour it on the board so that toner print will be vanished and the copper layer will be visible. After removing the toner print, wash the circuit with water. You can see still there is a fluctuation, but no problem, we will solder it later. For printing the marking of the circuit, make 2 holes, then place the printout. Then similarly pour the acetone and then print it with the same process as we have done earlier. Congrats, you have successfully made your own PCB. Now drill the holes and fill the components and enjoy. Till then, do like, share and subscribe, and don't forget to hit the bell icon. And check out our Instagram page for daily updates. Thank you.